So for this video, we're going to be talking about rewriting formulas. So the direction says solve the formula for the indicated variable. So I have the formula of the surface area S of a rectangular prism is S equals L times 2W plus 2H plus 2WH, where the L stands for length, W is width, H is height. I want to solve for the length L. So let's rewrite this down here. So I have S is equal to L times 2W plus 2H plus 2WH. I want to solve this for L. So everything else I'm treating just like a number. Okay, so this looks a little bit more complicated, but it's actually not going to be too bad. I want to move whatever is being added or subtracted first. So I'm adding this 2WH at the end, so I want to move that to the other side. These aren't like terms, so I can't add them together, so I'll just have S minus 2WH is equal to L times 2W plus 2H. Okay, it's really tempting to go ahead and distribute because that's what we've been doing this whole entire time up until now. But if I do that, I get L2W, or you say that's 2LW. And I can't combine those, so that doesn't help me. So I'm going to leave it at the end. But what this is really saying is L times 2W plus H. And since these are being multiplied together, to get rid of that 2WH, I can undo that multiplication by dividing it. And so in the end, I get that L is equal to S minus 2WH over 2W plus 2H. And that is my final answer. Okay, let's try another one. So this one I have the surface area of a cone, and that is S is equal to pi r squared plus pi rl. And I want to solve this one for L. So just like before, I want to move whatever's being added or subtracted to it first. So I want to move this pi r squared that doesn't have the L with it. So I get S minus pi r squared is equal to pi rl. And then I want to get rid of this pi r. So when I see all these symbols right next to each other, that really means they're all being multiplied together. So I can undo that multiplication by division. So I can divide out that pi r. And when I do that, those cancel each other out. And so I get that L is equal to S minus pi r squared over pi r. And you could have also divided each of those by pi r. That would have been fine too. And so you would have actually simplified it. So if I were to divide each of them individually, I would have had S over pi r minus pi r squared over pi r, which that cancels. R squared divided by r is just r. But I would accept either way. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try doing that last one on your own. Okay, so for this last one, you should have gotten that h is equal to 2a over b. So what I did to get rid of that 1/2, because that's really saying dividing by 2, I multiplied both sides by 2 to get just bh, and then I divided out that b. And again, remember that's because 1/2 times bh, I can put that bh over 1. And so this is really just equal to bh over 2. And so multiplying by 2 crosses that out. Okay, that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to the next one.